They call it the miracle fruit, the memory berry, the fountain of youth in blue. And here on Informative Zone, we've talked before about how powerful blueberries can be for senior health. But what if I told you that millions of older adults are eating blueberries in ways that quietly damage their eyesight, disrupt digestion, spike blood sugar, and may even accelerate memory decline? The truth is, behind the glossy health headlines and billion-dollar marketing, there's a darker side that almost no one talks about. According to research funded by the National Institute on Aging, blueberries can absolutely backfire when they are handled, stored, or eaten the wrong way. Instead of protecting the brain, muscles, and eyes, they can stress the gut, interfere with medications, and overload aging systems that no longer process sugar and chemicals the way they once did. One major study out of Tufts University found that when blueberries are processed or stored incorrectly, they can lose more than 80% of their antioxidant power. At that point, the so-called superfood becomes little more than a sugary snack with very limited benefit. Seniors over 60 are the most vulnerable to these mistakes because aging changes how the body responds to fiber, fructose, and toxins. Medications interact more easily, insulin sensitivity drops, and the gut barrier becomes thinner and easier to irritate. In this video, we are revealing the 6 most dangerous blueberry mistakes seniors are making, ranked from risky to potentially fatal if ignored long-term. And you'll want to stay until the very end, because number 1 has nothing to do with how many blueberries you eat or even whether you buy organic. It's a common daily habit that turns blueberries into brain fog fuel, and a leading neurologist has called it a recipe for memory collapse. Every study and reference mentioned is linked below. Before we begin, let us know in the comments where you're watching from, because we read and respond to as many as we can. Let's start with number 6. Because this mistake is silently destroying blueberries before they even reach your spoon, and most people never suspect it. Mistake number 6 is eating blueberries in processed yogurt cups. A lot of people believe that grabbing a blueberry yogurt from the fridge is one of the healthiest breakfasts possible. It feels like a smart choice. There's fruit, there's dairy, and it's fast. But the reality is very different. Many blueberry-flavored yogurts contain almost no real blueberries at all. Instead, they're loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, cornstarch thickeners, and chemical dyes designed to mimic the color of real fruit. A 2020 Environmental Working Group investigation found that some popular blueberry yogurts contain less than 2% actual blueberry content. That tiny amount is just enough to legally put the word blueberry on the label. For seniors, this becomes dangerous very quickly. These processed yogurts can cause sharp insulin spikes and flood the liver with added fructose. Aging bodies are already more insulin resistant, which means sugar stays in the bloodstream longer and does more damage. Over time, this accelerates muscle loss, increases visceral fat around the organs, and interferes with overnight muscle repair. Linda, a 72-year-old retiree, thought she was doing everything right. Every morning she ate blueberry Greek yogurt and skipped toast. Yet her waistline kept growing, and her blood pressure slowly climbed. When her doctor reviewed the label with her, the truth became clear. 18 grams of added sugar, and almost no fiber from real blueberries. Linda switched to plain unsweetened yogurt, and added frozen wild blueberries herself. That single change cut her sugar intake dramatically, and within weeks her blood sugar and weight began to stabilize. If you want the real anti-inflammatory and muscle-preserving benefits of blueberries, they need to actually be blueberries. Fresh or frozen whole berries paired with plain yogurt or kefir provide antioxidants, fiber, and probiotics without the blood sugar roller coaster. Unfortunately, the next mistake is often sitting right in your kitchen, and it can be even more harmful to an aging nervous system. Mistake number 5 is washing blueberries too late. Blueberries are often marketed as one of the cleanest fruits, but they quietly appear on the dirty dozen list year after year. The biggest problem is waiting until just before eating to wash them. Many people do this to prevent mold or sogginess, but for seniors this delay can allow pesticide residues to cause real harm. The Environmental Working Group's 2024 report ranked blueberries among the most pesticide-contaminated fruits sold. These residues include neurotoxic chemicals and hormone disruptors linked to balance problems, memory issues, and muscle weakness in older adults. These chemicals are designed to stick to the fruit and survive rain and handling. Over time, especially when berries sit unwashed in sealed containers, residues can penetrate the skin. George, a 70-year-old retired physical therapist, ate blueberries daily. Over several months, he noticed declining grip strength, heavy legs, and restless sleep. Standard blood tests showed nothing unusual. A nutritionist asked him one simple question about when he washed his blueberries. When George changed his routine and washed them immediately using a baking soda solution, dried them, and stored them properly, his symptoms gradually improved. Washing blueberries as soon as you get home helps remove surface toxins before they migrate or interact with aging systems. For seniors, this single habit change can mean the difference between steady energy and unexplained fatigue. Now, mistake number 4 is one that many people don't even realize they are making. It's eating blueberries without the skin. If you remove the skin or rely on processed blueberry products where the skin is destroyed, you lose a majority of the protective power. Nearly 80% of blueberry antioxidants are found in the skin, especially anthocyanins, the compounds responsible for their deep color. Without the skin, blueberries offer sugar with very little protection. Processed foods like juices, jams, and baked goods strip or destroy these compounds through heat and blending. Irene, 73, loved blueberry muffins and believed they were helping her eyes. After an exam showed early macular degeneration, her doctor asked how she consumed blueberries. The muffins she ate contained berries whose skins were broken down during baking. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that seniors who ate whole blueberries with skins had significantly better improvements in visual function than those consuming processed forms. Eating blueberries whole, raw, and with the skin intact preserves their benefits. Gently frozen berries are fine, but microwaving or cooking them destroys sensitive compounds. For aging eyes and brains, the skin is essential protection. Mistake number 3 is eating too many blueberries at once. Even healthy foods have limits. Blueberries contain fructose, and large amounts can overwhelm an aging digestive system that a study in the journal Nutrients found that seniors consuming more than about 100 grams at a time experience higher blood sugar spikes and more digestive discomfort. Susan, 66, replaced dessert with a large bowl of blueberries each night. Instead of feeling better, she developed bloating, headaches, and restless sleep. As digestion slows with age, large fruit portions can disrupt glucose control and sleep cycles. Smaller servings spread throughout the day are much better tolerated. Pairing blueberries with protein also slows sugar absorption. Blueberries are powerful, but dosing matters. Mistake number 2 is buying non-organic blueberries. Conventionally grown blueberries rank high for pesticide contamination. The Environmental Working Group found dozens of residues on samples, including chemicals linked to cognitive decline. Aging makes it easier for these substances to cross into the brain due to changes in the blood-brain barrier. Marvin, 73, bought conventional blueberries on sale. Over time, he experienced brain fog and tremors. After switching to organic berries, his symptoms improved. Washing cannot remove all pesticides because many penetrate the fruit. Organic options reduce toxic exposure and protect aging organs. Finally, mistake number 1 is storing blueberries the wrong way. Even perfect berries can become harmful if stored improperly. Blueberries spoil quickly and can develop invisible mold. Research from the University of Georgia shows that improper storage leads to rapid nutrient loss and mold growth. Mold toxins can irritate the gut and worsen inflammation. Dolores, 69, stored blueberries in sealed plastic bags. She developed digestive issues, later traced to mold exposure. Once she switched to breathable storage with paper towels and airflow, her symptoms resolved. Proper storage preserves nutrients and prevents contamination. Blueberries are one of the most powerful anti-aging foods available, but only when handled correctly. Making these 6 mistakes can cancel their benefits and even cause harm. Correcting how you buy, wash, store, and eat blueberries can support memory, balance, and overall vitality. Make the switch today and let this small berry truly work for you.